Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you the top 5 WooCommerce automations. We all know that WooCommerce is an online e-commerce store which actually enables you that if you have a website, then it can actually turn it into a full functioning online store. Now we all know that we are living in this e-era, which means that everything that you want to buy, first we want to go and find it online because it is feasible, right? Now how feasible it would be if every time a person has bought something from your store, automatically he receives a message or an SMS, or maybe the details of that particular person is stored in your CRM or sent to your team automatically, which means that you do not have to waste any time in doing this, and the time that you have saved here, you can actually use it in building your empire. Now in this video, I'm going to show you 5 examples where you can integrate WooCommerce with different applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let's start. The first one we have here is WooCommerce and WhatsApp. So every time a person has bought a thing, now you have the details and you have sent a message, a confirmation message of order placed on WhatsApp, and then you can further deal and follow up. Similarly on Twilio, Instagram, Discord and Google Sheets. Now I'm going to tell you about the workflows that you will create. So how to send WhatsApp notifications for WooCommerce orders. So every time a new order is placed in WooCommerce, automatically a message would be sent in Interact. Again, it will help you in sending WhatsApp messages. You will be integrating these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Your trigger application here will be WooCommerce and your action application will be Interact. Now the second example that we have here is the same thing, but instead of sending a WhatsApp message, we are sending a SMS, okay? So again here, the trigger application will be WooCommerce and your action application will be Twilio, which helps you in sending SMSs. The next one we have is how to display the most selling WooCommerce products on Instagram. So we all know that Instagram is at a boom, which means that we want to advertise on Instagram. Why? Because the age group of people who are there on Instagram, it has no limits now. Everybody is on Instagram. So your market, your product gets a wide variety of customers. So here what you're doing is, the most selling product that you have on your WooCommerce, your online store, first with the help of Switchboard, you're creating an image of that and then you're posting that on Instagram, which means you do not have to do anything, no wasting time at all. The next example that we have is how to send WooCommerce order notification to Discord channel. Now what I want is that my team should be notified. So when I'm sending the details to my team sitting on Slack or Discord, so we all are on the same page and at the same time they have got the leads and now they can follow up with them, right? So here your trigger application will be WooCommerce and your action application will be the Discord or Slack or any other social media platform as well. The next one that we have is how to add multiple product WooCommerce order details to Google Sheets. So every time a person has ordered a lot of products, so you want that all the details should be captured in your Google Sheet. Now how can that be done? So new order received, automatically a new row is added in Google Sheet. Now this is a fantabulous automation. Again, you will be doing this with the help of Pabbly Connect. Your trigger application will be WooCommerce and your action application will be Google Sheets. So these were the top 5 automations where you have integrated WooCommerce with different applications using Pabbly Connect software. Now I'm going to come up with more such automations, and if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. The links of all these videos, the integrations that I have just talked about, are there in the description box. Please go and check that out.